गाजर का हलवा.
Gaja ka halva.
Halwa.
Halva.
Yes.
And I also know how to say Miranam. Miranam Javier.
Oh, yeah.
I truly thought
Yeah.
that Indian food was all about spicy stuff.
नमस्ते, सत श्री अकाल. कैसे हैं आप? सबके हाल. मेरा नाम है ऋतु और आज ये वाला व्लॉग बहुत एक्साइटिंग है. मैं बहुत हैप्पी हूँ कि हम ये शूट कर रहे हैं. हम कर रहे हैं अमेरिकन ट्राइंग इंडियन स्वीट्स फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम. मुझे ना ऑनेस्टली मीठा बहुत पसंद है और मिठाइयाँ मतलब मेरी ना कमज़ोरी है. मैं उन लोगों में से हूँ जो घर में ऐसे रात को 12 बजे उठ के खाने वालों में से, तो मैं वो हूँ. तो आज मैं अपने अमेरिकी दोस्तों को खिलाने वाली हूँ अपनी इंडियन मिठाई. हमारे पास है गुलाब जामुन, रस मलाई, सोन पापड़ी और गाजर का हलवा. मतलब मैंने अभी तक अपने आप को कैसे कंट्रोल किया है मुझे ही पता है. ऑल्सो इन दिस व्लॉग मैं कभी भी गिव अवे अनाउंस करने वाली हूँ, तो देखते रहो. लेट्स रोल. Okay, so we have here and we have this beautiful wife. सबसे पहले Shirley, I want to say thank you for agreeing to do this video. I'm grateful. And what we're going to do here is that we have few Indian sweets.
Yes.
I want you to taste it and I want honest reaction. Even if it's bad, let me know. So we're going to start with gulab jamun.
Gulab jam. Okay.
Yeah.
Let me serve you first.
Thank you.
These look like little munchkin donuts.
Yes.
Same time?
Same time. You ready?
Okay.
One,
2, 3.
3.
Oh, I psyched you out.
girl.
How is
I
it?
like it.
Yeah.
Like it?
This has. I have to say, it's really got a nice sweet. It's not too sweet.
Huh.
For me, it's like right in the middle. It's just nice.
If I'll ask a rating, like if I'll ask how many numbers from 5?
From 0 to 5,
0 to 5.
this would be a 4. It's top.
Yeah?
It's 4.
For me, because we have more.
Yeah,
so-
let's wait.
Exactly.
Wait, ladies are always like, let's wait. We'll check out everything and then we'll let you know.
Yeah,
Exactly.
she's the smart one in this
So-
relationship.
I'm also like that. I'm gonna test everything and then I'll decide exactly if I like it or not like it.
Right.
Yeah.
The second one that we're having is called ras malai.
Okay, that's
Malai. So it is made out of milk, a lot of solid milk,
Okay.
cardamom.
Okay.
There is this thing called kesar and also a lot of sweet.
Okay.
sweet. Okay, so it's pretty much made out of cheese, huh?
It is made out of cheese. It is completely made out of cheese.
Cheese, milk. Okay.
Cheese, milk. It is little
Wow.
fancy.
Yeah.
It tastes like coconut?
Yeah, a little bit.
Something like that.
A little bit.
Does it have coconut?
No.
No?
No.
That's
No.
weird.
It's interesting. It's deceiving because you look at it and you don't think it's gonna taste that sweet,
Yeah.
right? Because it looks just like cheese, and cheese
Right.
is sweet.
Yeah, a little sweet cheese.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is good.
This
I
is
like
good.
this.
Yeah.
I would want to try this with like bread and stuff. Between these two, I still like this one the most.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
What do you have to say about the first one, the second one?
Second one.
Second
yeah.
one?
Oh, you like the second
Yeah.
one?
Oh,
I like expensive stuff.
Oh.
I am like you. We're gonna try the third one. This is called son papdi.
Some pasti.
And I have to cut this, right? It looks
Yeah,
like
yeah. You have to cut it and then eat. It is one of the desserts which is quite popular across when we distribute Diwali sweets. तो जब हम लोग दिवाली में सामान बेचते हैं, बड़ी बदनाम है सोन पापड़ी, तो मैंने सोचा ट्राई कर लेते हैं कि कैसा लगता है सबको खा के, क्योंकि सोन पापड़ी के बारे में जितने जोक और जितने मीम्स बने हैं मुझे बहुत अच्छे से पता है. So we're gonna do that.
Okay. Hold up.
It will break a little bit. It's
Yeah.
like flaky.
Maybe.
It will break. Yeah.
Okay. You ready? Wow. You know, to be quite honest with you guys,
Hmm.
I didn't think that was gonna taste that good.
Yeah.
That's really good.
Have you tasted anything like this before?
No, this one's.
I have tasted that before, something like that in Spain.
Oh
in
yeah.
Spain?
Yeah, there is something like really typical from Spain that it's called turrón.
Turang?
Yes.
Okay. Is it also flaky like this one?
No, it's
Okay.
really hard.
Okay. This one will break. As soon as
Yeah.
you do
Yeah.
this will break. Yeah. It has a longer shelf life. And a lot of people make jokes out of it because this is
Really?
the go-to Indian dessert when you give gifting. So people give it away.
So how do you say this again? What's the name of it?
Son papdi.
Son papdi.
Papdi.
Som papri.
Yes, papri.
Oh,
Papri
papri.
is a
Papri.
flake.
Okay.
Yeah.
Som
Great.
papri.
Yeah.
Okay.
So, which one is your favorite so far?
Som papri.
Really?
Yes.
And for you?
Yes.
I'm between these two.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm
Okay.
not sure. Let me take
Second.
the last one.
Yeah.
All right. This is it. What do we got here?
This is gajar ka halwa. So basically, this is something which is made specially
Okay.
in the winters. So it is little warm. It is carrots grated and then boiled and cooked in the thick milk.
Mm.
Yeah. So it is
Okay.
made out of carrot.
Okay, now let me help you.
1, 2, 3.
Wow.
It is served a little warm. It is made out
Yeah,
of carrot.
It's warm. So what is this?
It's carrot, milk, sugar, and a little bit of solid milk,
You know
which
what?
gives a thicker taste.
Okay.
I would have never thought you can make it that sweet for a carrot.
Yeah.
I'm not the biggest vegetable
That's
guy. It's healthy.
Yeah.
She, when it comes to healthy stuff,
Yeah.
she saves my life because I'm not very good at it. Okay.
I'm also bad. I'm pretty bad at it. I eat as much as I want and then I'll get fat and then I'm like, what's happening?
So she saves me all the time.
Yeah.
Fruits, vegetables, she's my savior.
Oh.
So that was surprisingly good. But
Yeah.
for
Yeah.
me, I so papri.
Oh my god, really?
So papri.
Son papri is 5 out of 5
Yeah.
for you.
That's
For
for me
me, it
5.
will
Yes.
be rasmalai.
Okay, let's do it one more thing.
Okay.
What I'm gonna do is I'll ask you to rate 1 to 4.
Okay.
So you have to tell me 1, 2, 3, 4. What is the first one? And you want individuals, okay?
Okay,
So
okay.
let's see which
Ladies
is
first, ladies first. Go ahead.
Okay, you're gonna do that.
Okay,
So go one by one. Yeah.
So this will be the one that it's better for me.
Yeah,
right?
first choice.
Okay, first. Okay, so this one.
Rasmalai is first.
Second one.
Son papri is second.
Third one.
Third one is gulab jamun.
And the last one.
Fourth one is gajar ka halwa.
Yes.
Okay.
All
Okay. Okay. Now your turn.
We already know.
We
Son
have
papri.
Son papri 1.
That's my number one top.
Hmm.
You know what? These two are close, but I gotta say,
Gulab jamun.
galajam,
Gulab jamun.
gulajam.
Yes.
Okay, that one's my number 2.
Yeah.
And then between these two here, I'm gonna have to take this one next. How do you pronounce it?
Gajar halwa.
Gajar ka halwa.
It's like carrot.
Gajar.
Carrot halwa.
Gajar. Gajar.
Gaja.
Gajar.
Gajar means carrot.
Gajar means carrot.
Okay.
Halwa means something which is being mashed and made.
So say it all together. How do you say
Yeah.
it?
Gajar ka halwa.
Gaja ka halam.
Halwa.
Halva.
Yes.
Gaja halva. Okay.
That is pretty cool.
Alright, that's 3, and then my last one would be this one.
Rasmalai.
That's
Really?
malai. I think it's pretty interesting how that
He
is number 1.
loves cheese.
I do
I
love.
also love cheese.
Yeah,
I love
he
cheese.
can eat the 5 cheese together.
Yes, anything,
And I don't
rice,
understand why he doesn't
beans,
like that.
pasta. I love cheese.
Yeah.
I love cheese, but
Wow.
I told you this one when I first saw it. I was like, oh, that one's gonna be my least favorite.
Yeah.
But this one came out to be my favorite.
People will be amused to see it.
Wow.
I'm glad. And any messages for Indian audience? What do you have to say about India?
Oh, we want to go.
Yeah, you wanna go?
I want to go.
Experience
I
our
was
culture?
telling that I want to go see the Mumbai
Yeah.
Indians.
Yeah.
I'm a Mumbai fan. I hope I don't offend anyone, but let's go
Yeah.
Mumbai.
And do you want to visit India?
Yes. You want to visit India?
Yes.
Yeah?
I say yes. Yes. I want to
You
visit.
want to visit culture of ours?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Wear
absolutely.
clothes, bright clothes.
The only thing I know how to say is namaste.
Namaste is fine.
Namaste. Is that
Can you
peace
say
or-
namaste?
Namaste.
Namaste.
That's
It's like
easy.
hello, right?
That's
It's
I-
easy.
it's like how you introduce yourself. Supposing if I'll meet you for the first time, I'll
Yeah.
join my hands, put my head down, I'll say namaste, so that I show
Oh,
that the
and I also
gratitude.
know how to say Miranam Javier.
Oh, yeah. Wow! That is cool.
Yeah,
That is
shocker.
cool. You shocked me, man. That is cool. That is cool. That is cool. Oh, one more thing. They have a store. So I'm putting the mic to you. You tell
Yes.
them. They also have a YouTube channel, so you should subscribe. Please kar dena. This is the second video Javier has done for me, and I'm very grateful to him. So in case my audience can go and subscribe to his channel, I'll be really happy. Yeah, over to you.
Yes, so
I have a YouTube channel called Limitless Faith Ministries. We upload 2 episodes a week. It's bilingual in English and Spanish. It's a Christian podcast show. So if you're interested, you want to check it out, Limitless Faith Ministries. So check it out. I'm going to
I'll put the link in description.
That's right.
Yes.
And then what do you have?
Yes, so I have a online store. It's called Condeste. If you go there, you are going to find a lot of good, cool, and stylish stuff. So go check it out.
So since you've eaten all this, what do you have to say about the Indian food? Did you like it?
Yes.
You used to feel it's too sweet?
No, I thought this was great. I thought this was fantastic.
I want to say that I truly thought
Yeah.
that Indian food was all about spicy stuff.
Yeah.
And I
That's
didn't
true.
even thought
That's true.
I didn't even think that
There
you
was
will
anything
have
sweet?
yes, like you have this
Yeah.
really good stuff, sweet stuff. So I really love it.
Yeah.
Yeah, good.
Thank you so much
That's
for
great.
participating. Yay! Okay, so this is my time to say goodbye to all of you. And अभी मैं giveaway winner announce करने वाली हूँ. पहला जो प्राइज है वो जीते हैं शुभम जैन, सेकंड संदीप किनी, थर्ड स्वप्निल पाटिल और 2 लोग और जीते हैं स्वाति धारसारकर और धवल प्रजापति. आप सबको बहुत बहुत कंग्रेचुलेशन. पहले विनर को मिलेगा 3000, फिर 2000, फिर 1000 और जो 4th और 5th आए हैं उनको 500 रुपीज़. आपको याहू पे मुझे अपना एक ईमेल मतलब अपना एक आईडी भेजना है और अपना पेटीएम नंबर भेजना है. आई ट्रांसफर द मनी देयर. दिस इज़ माई वे टू से थैंक यू टू ऑल ऑफ यू क्योंकि यू बीन देयर विद यू नो ऑल दिस टाइम्स. मैं बहुत खुश हूँ और बहुत ब्लेस्ड फील करती हूँ कि आप मेरे साथ इस जर्नी में हैं. अगर आपको इस तरीके की वीडियो और देखनी है तो मुझे बताना. आई मेक और अच्छी वीडियो शेयर कर लिया करो अगर पसंद आती है. नोटिफिकेशन बेल ऑन कर लो ताकि नेक्स्ट टाइम मैं वीडियो डालूँ तो आपको पता लगे. बाय बाय. थैंक यू एंड आई एम ग्रेटफुल फॉर ऑल द लव.